Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and initial settings. Power off the controller, then fit the back button module into the rear clip. Press until you hear a click so it's secure. Once attached, install fresh batteries or a charged battery pack and make sure your console or PC recognizes the device. Next, connect and open the Xbox Accessories app. This is where you'll map inputs. Make sure firmware is up to date. It fixes button response and adds mapping options. Once in the app, choose an existing profile or create a new one so you can experiment without losing defaults. Tap the back button icon to assign functions and pick from face buttons, bumpers, triggers, D-pad, or even a complex macro. This is how you reduce finger travel and speed up reactions. Make use of toggle and shift layer options to expand your mappings. This lets one back button act like multiple inputs. After mapping, test responsiveness using the app's diagnostics and a quick gameplay check. To finish, fine-tune your setup by saving profiles tailored to each game. This prevents conflicts and keeps your muscle memory intact. Once done, adjust in-game sensitivity and dead zones so the new mappings feel natural, and export profiles if you switch devices. If a back button is unresponsive, first reseat the module and power cycle the controller, then reinstall firmware through the Xbox Accessories app. If problems persist, try a different profile or test on PC to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.